Okay, it looks like I'm now live. Let's finally, I think that solves my problem here. That solves my problem here. Yes, we're at 1080p. Yes, 1080p. There we go. All right, let's quit that. Cool. Now we're good. Now we're good. Finally, okay. Now I can focus. Holy shit. Still learning how to do this. Yay, it works. Cool. Hmm. Okay, let's see, I'm gonna do, I'm thinking about when saving stuff already. I'm too ahead of myself, actually. Um, just working with AI a little bit here. You guys can't see this. Using Claude on the side here, not Claude Code, but I'm asking for ideas, not asking it to code for me. Was I gonna? I don't even know what I was gonna type now. Uh, so my profile has I need to rename some stuff to make it more clear. Rename that to, I can't. Is that all good now? It's probably a problem, right? Yeah, anyway. Right here. Anything else? Nope. That's it. Okay. So I need to be able to add other things, right? Why am I? Okay. Um, What else do we need here? So this one is going to be, I don't know how I'm going to implement this for destination. Type string. But I want it selectable, so I don't think I want it like that. I think I want this type of thing. Destination equals I think that's what we want there. We can set it between domestic and international here. Um, okay. So maybe let's test that out. See what it looks like. What we can do with that. So let's see. We got the profiles view here. And this one's broken. Of course. Oops. Domestic. Uh hold on. What's this? Draft. Domestic. Yeah, there you go. That should work now. We'll keep it started at domestic here. All right, so where's our enum? It's in here. Mark. Onboarding enum. Let's mark some of the other ones. Draft. Profile draft. Swift data model. Destination enum. Right. What are we doing here? So we need to base rate. Let's rename this. Postage. Destination. The destination is fine. And then this one, case dot destination, return, enter, destination, enter, postage cost. That should be fine. Now I've got another page here. Value entry component, flow, current page, value, e dot destination, dot tag, shipping pro onboarding, dot destination. See what we got here. Got convert. Oh, right. We can't use this. We need a new page because this is not a string. This is not a string. Um, let's basically copy this. destination entry component here. Let's paste this in. Let's take this flow. And then we don't want a text field here. We want a selection of some sort, which I think I got a little. Oh, wait, I have those. How do I do this? Oh, fuck. This can get really complicated, I just realized. Well, I already knew that, but, you know, it's getting more complicated now by the second. I think I need my iPad to run through this, actually. Um, right, so I'm gonna have to open up my freeform app here. And unfortunately, you guys aren't going to see this, but basically what I need to do is I need to sort of like do an outline thing. I need an outline like the shipping. Let's see here. I'll do this. Where is this? Okay. Right, so oh, doesn't even write. Shipping outline. Right. So we have name. We have postage. We have destination. So at least all three of those are going in. But then if we're doing, here's the, what's the flow of recording an order? So geez, record order flow. So we go pick your products, right? First. Then you're gonna so that's number one. Number two is how many of that product sold, right? And then number three, that that might seem like a small step, but it's important because you want to, if you have more than one product of the same type, you want to just easily select or choose how many of those products you have. um, so after you select how many of those products you have, you select the shipping profile, right? Select shipping profile, right? You could do that if you've saved one, which you would have if you're using Etsy. So you would have saved a profile. So should I have the same exact things in Etsy that you can add for your profile? Because I'm trying to think like, so let's say I've ordered one item domestically. No, no, no. What am I saying? So let's say I ordered two items, two domestic items, right? The whole order is the whole. Okay, hold on. I'm over complicating it. So two items. Just want to get everything correct here. Two items. It's a domestic order. So I could choose the domestic shipping profile, but if there needs to be some customization in there because the shipping profile would be for the order, right? Maybe I don't want shipping profiles in here. Maybe that's too much. Maybe there just needs to be some custom fields where you can enter shipping costs. Or maybe you can save shipping profiles as like costs. So like so let's say it's like $5 for it's $5 for wait, hold on. $5 cost to customer, but let's say it's $7.50 or whatever for postage. So you're charging this is good. Actually, I do need this because I want to record the amount of postage over time that everyone has sold. So if oh, I got another coffee. So that's what $2.50 you're losing out on there. Actual large. Okay. So from the total order total minus that 250 basically, right? From your shipping. So what we would want to save is let's at least postage. We do want destination. So cost to customer. Why is this so awkward sometimes? Okay, sniffling a lot, sorry. So shipping profile will have the name of the profile, the postage, the destination, the cost to customer, postage, and destination. Just for tracking's sake. Um select shipping profile. Now, if I'm shipping two of the same item, then in my own case, I would just ship them in the same container or the same envelope. So there would be one cost. Wait, I just realized what's going on here. Yeah. So there'd be one cost. There'd be one shipping cost. Like, I think I need to go into Etsy and look at what they have. I forget because I think we do need stuff from Etsy, the same stuff from Etsy to do this. But we can start with this. So let's go back to the shipping profile manager. So we got title. Let's var cost to consumer. What would it be called? Um, I'm confused here. Hold on. Right, it's not supposed to be, it shouldn't be here. It should be in the product here. Costs. Or in the sale, actually. Sale item, price, costs. I don't think the sale item needs to be a model. I think, yeah, just needs to be. Sale item is the item that gets saved as a sale item. Product gets saved, but this item just gets entered into the items as a sale item, so that just goes into there, and this it records it. So that doesn't need to be a thing here. And in fact, I don't think it even needs to be a. I don't even think it needs that. This init. I think maybe I can just. Any error with that? Whoa! Hold on. Maybe we can clean this up a bit. You know what? I'll just leave it because there's too many errors. I know. I see what it's saying. Okay. Right. So actually, I want this to be from. So how do we do that? I don't know what's going on here. This is AI sort of help me with this part here. With the selected products. I mean, I get what's going on. The point of it. um, Hold on. Now, where is the thing that I'm looking for here? Hold on. It's in. It's not in shipping, is it? Product view? Oh, it's in edit. It's an edit product sheet. Yeah, here you go. Init from product. And then you go into here and you set let product of type product and let and you have the temp product there. And then on init, product of type product, we're knitting product, self.product, this equals product, which is the init. This is a type of product, this product. This is weird. Then temp product, which is this, we set the state, the initial value of product to be a type product copy from, and when we initialize, when we're initializing product copy, we have the init to allow an insertion or a parameter where it comes from product, which is product here is product here, which is of type product, where self.product equals product. And then I think this product, yeah, it's this, basically this, I think. This throws me around though. This throws me for a loop, this thing. From product, type product. So it takes a product in. So right now it's the init is taking a product in. Wait, no, this product copy is taking a product in. And this is providing the product, the init. It's providing the product to put in there. And it's setting the product that's being input, which is this product here, self.product, which is here, equals product. It kind of, okay, this is kind of throwing me for a loop now. Now I'm confused. I get it, but I don't at the same time. Okay. So self.product equals product. It stores a reference to the original product. So that's self.product. So this is a stored product that holds a reference to the original unmodified product, which is just product, right? And product copy on init, I know, is taking a product from product and setting whatever this product that's input in here is giving the values to product copy. So product, which is on init of type product, the product that is coming into this basically is being set to equal this product, and then temp product is being set as soon as this initializes to have the values of this product, which is this product, which is the product coming in. So so basically when this view gets created, it pulls in the current product from the previous wherever the product is in the state that it's in. It's basically what's happening. So we want to do that with with the shipping, I think. We want to, where do we want to do it? Why was I even thinking of that now? We want to have, hold on. Spire page shipping should not be in here. Wait, why would we want that? Why was I even thinking about that? We wanted it for something. The pass in of data. We wanted to pass in something. What the fuck was it? What the fuck was it? What was I just talking about? Wait, can I go to my YouTube and rewatch and remember exactly what I forgot? Hold on. Let's see. This is gonna be hilarious. Rewatching my own video. For help. For help. Alright, it's not supposed to be. It shouldn't be here. It should be in the item price. I don't think the sale item needs to be a model. I don't even think it needs that. This is the perks of recording yourself. Ooh. What is the point of it? Here. So how do we do that? Actually, I want this to be from. Yeah. I want sale item to. I don't know what's going on here. This is AI, so help me with this part. I want sale item. Actually, I want this to be from. So sale item to be from AI, so help me with this part. A product. So what did I do for that actually? Selected products. I mean, I get what's going on. Sales record, sales record, delete. Wait a bit. Sales list. Empty record sales view. Now where is the thing that I'm looking for? Sales and sale in destination records. Sales summary. It's in monetization. Oh, it's an edit. It's an edit function. Yeah, here you go. Sale items. Right, that's fine, but how did I don't need to rewatch myself more. Right, so here's the question. Where did I actually put the thing to populate itself? A record a sales sheet. If selected item contains product ID. Toggle selection. Oh. Oh yeah. So this will display This I had, okay, I was having it query the sale items, but I don't need that to happen, and what I need to do is change the init to just, oh, new tab. So I need this to be a struct, because it doesn't matter. The data doesn't matter. This will not work anymore. Add sale item to here. And where are our other main problems here? Can I have value and scope? So for now, we're just going to get rid of this because we don't want a text field here. We actually want a selection field here. Flow type. Flow. Should be fine. What else? So we don't want that. We need a destination selection view here. Aragon. Private set vars, blah blah blah. We don't need that because we're not gonna use that. Wait, why did I have that here even? Current sale items dot map sale item price. Wait, if current sale item is not empty, if current sale item is not empty, let sale item equals dot map product in sale item product dot title. Okay, so this is mapping. This is mapping the stuff to the sale item, and then it's adding recording sale item. Okay. Um. What do we got? Where's some weird shit we got going on here? Referencing. Okay, I need to do some shit to clear out the sale item stuff, which I know. There's probably some other stuff here. Sale item. Sale item. Sale item. Sale item. Yeah, not a ton of this should be a problem here. And in fact, I'm actually not sure what these errors are. items. Sale item. That should be fine. Is empty. Generic struct for each requires sale item conform to hashable. So let's start with what the fuck? Oh, shit. Huh. Var ID equals UUID. We need that. Have we solved any errors? Yes. One. Now, this is a problem here. Let's just get rid of it for now. See if everything goes away. Let's get rid of these sample items. Let's get rid of these. Let's see what we got going on now. Build failed. That's fine. Let's clear some stuff out. This is the price of... Oh, actually, hold on. We don't want to do this. We want to keep that var items type sale item. It's not an extra argument. It's literally... Let... What do you mean extra argument? Okay, hold on. Let's go back here. Cannot use... Yeah. I won't worry about this. Delete that. Extra argument items and call. Really? But it's not an extra argument. Sale item conform to hashable. Is it not hashable? Because it was working before. Don't tell me my keyboard just died. Don't tell me that, please. Fuck. Alright. Time to plug in the old keyboard. Boys and girls. Keyboard plug time. 1 sec. Oh shit. I just realized I didn't cancel my... Oh, thank God I canceled my shift. Somehow I was able to cancel my shift. Oh my God. It's already 1:30. Holy fuck. Time flies when you're having fun. Time flies when you can't figure out your goddamn problems on here. All right. Let's figure out what's going on here. Oh, wait. It's because I don't have here. My bad. It's not in the initializer. There it is. My bad. Let's build now. Oops. Wait, what? Items. Items. Sale item. Sale item. Eh? Is that still broken? Generic struct. Requires for sale item conform to hashable. Wait, sale.items is recorded sales. So, but as long as sale item is hashable, then it can place it in there. Referencing instance method set value for has it sale item conform to persistent model. But wait, why does it need to be a persistent model here? That's what I need to know. I've got to ask AI about this. And I'll give it the product manager as well, just for reference to see what it says here, because this is fascinating. Hmm. Wait, that's so weird. Your product uses model class cost persisted, but sale unused. Ah, right. Okay, so it gets confused. Okay, it gets confused because now I get it. My product manager, the costs are a model here, which need to be saved. So, right. Okay, so I cannot. I know what to do. Let's solve this right now. I need to give. I cannot let costs be costs. I have to. This is going to. I have to make it so it has all the costs separately in here, which I've gotten from AI nicely. Thank you, AI. They have to be entered uh separately. I don't need that. And then let me see my product manager again. Where did I put in? Where did I put the? Yeah, edit product sheet. In it from product. Yeah, I want. So, yeah, I want that. I want that. Quoted sales manager. In it. Whoa. But I want it custom, so it's gonna be from product of type product. Self ID was new UUID for the sale. We have product dot. Actually, in fact, we'll just copy all this over as well because it's nicely done it up for me. And I know exactly what it all means. So that's perfect. So that now should work properly as long as we oh, will it? Wait, will it? That makes sense. So what have we got here? So obviously we need to fix this part. Sale item needs sale item from product. Actually, I can probably put in a product in there, right? Does that work? I think so. Yes, it works. Okay. Now we need the summary. We don't need that. Okay. Why do we still have this issue? What the fuck? Definitely got some errors here. Static method build expression requires toolbar from view. It does conform to view. Add sale item here. Okay, so we need the sale item. Let, what is it called? What did I name it? Wait. Wait, what's missing here? Current sale items. Wait a second. Why was it even in here? Let items type sale item. Wait, I'm so confused now. What did I have here before? Because I know I had the query sale item. Hold on. Sale item. Okay, where do I have that in here? I'm not even using it, right? Sale item. What's it doing in here? There's no purpose for it. Why did I even put it in here? Toolbar play. This is fine. There's no issue with this. Something else. Missing parameter. Sale item. Sale item from product. I know there's no problem. Yeah. I know there's no problem with that. Now in here, this is getting out of control now. Let me grab a drink. I'm about to be fucked up. This. What do I do? All right, guys, I feel like I'm actually going to take a little break. Go chill on the bed and see if I can slowly figure out how to organize this whole thing because there is a lot that I have to alter, I realize, to change this over to a struct, which I want to do. But yeah, it's getting out of hand and I'm getting antsy just sitting in this chair trying to be like, oh, where is it? Where is it? Where's this problem? So yeah, I might be back on tomorrow, so hopefully you enjoyed this one. I'll see you guys later.